Recommended use. Recommended for ages 3+, holds up to 50 pounds. For Baby Shark fans, this fun chair desk features colorful graphics of Baby Shark, Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, Grandma Shark and Grandpa Shark. Ideal for homeschooling or remote learning. Kid-friendly design. Desk sits low to the ground for easy access. Size, assembled dimensions, 20.47 L x 22.83 W x 23.23 H. Easy assembly. Tons of storage. Desk features pull-out storage bin under the seat that provides ample space for toys, art supplies and more. Built-in cup holder is ideal for art supplies. Durable construction. Made of engineered wood and fabric built to withstand years of use. Scratch-resistant finish protects the colorful graphics. Wipes clean easily with dry cloth. Meets or exceeds all safety standards set by the CPSC. Top reviews from the United States. Super cute and great quality chair. We got our son this chair for Christmas because he loves Sesame Street and loves numbers. He absolutely loves it. It was very easy to assemble and it has proven to be a great spot for him to do arts and crafts, play with toys, and eat snacks. The surfaces are also very easy to clean. Overall, we feel it was a great purchase.